It's Mr. John from John Online Education. Welcome back. Today we are looking at a question from June 2022. Question 1a. It reads, using a calculator, otherwise find the exact value of 7/8 plus 1/6 divided by 2/9. Okay. So since as this question comes in question 1, normally you'll just plug this question straight into your calculator and that would be the end of it. But let's say that you are unable to use a calculator for some reason. This is where you're going to go about it, right? So let's simply rewrite it to the side. 7/8 plus 1/6 divided by 2/9, and they ask for it. They ask for the exact value, and you're gonna understand what I mean. What CXC means by exact values. So when we solve in fraction, there's an order that we go by, and this is called board mass. It tells us what we're doing first. It says brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So clearly we have to divide first before we can then add. So therefore we have to do this portion of the fraction first. Right? So let's do that. We have 1/6 being divided by 2/9. And when we divide in fractions, there's a simple trick we do, like KFC brother, we call him KCF. And we keep the fraction to the left. So we retain the 1/6. We change the division sign. We change the division sign to multiplication. Right? And then we flip the fraction to the left. So that would be 9/2. Now we multiply in fractions, so we can either multiply straight across and then reduce, or reduce and then multiply across. Numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So I'm seeing here that 3 can go both into 6 and 9, so let's reduce first. 3 can go into 6 twice, and 3 can go into 9 3 times, leaving us with 1/2 multiplied by 3/2. Then we multiply across. 1 times 3 would be 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So from this section, we get 3/4. We're not done yet. We now have to take the 3/4 and bring it with the 7/8. So we have 7/8 plus 3/4. Let's see what this boils down to. When we adding or subtracting fraction, we need to find something that is called the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple between 4 and 8, that would be 8. For anybody that might have been struggling with this, is like timetables, right? So 4, 8, 16, 8, 16. The lowest one between the 4 and the 8 would be the 8, and that's how we figured it out. Right. So now it's saying 8. How many times can the denominator of the left fraction go into this, into the new LCM? 8 can go into 7 once, and that would be 1 times 7. 1 times 7 is 7. You respect the sign, so you bring it back down. And you're doing the same thing over on this side. How many times can 4 go into the right denominator, the right fraction denominator, which is the 4, can go into 8. 4 can go into 8 twice, and that is 2 times 3. 2 threes is 6. No. 7 plus 6 would give you 13, and that is 13 over 8. No, they ask for it as a exact value. What that means is give them back as a fraction, right? In specific, since as they give us as in improper fractions, give them back as a improper fraction, like this. So leave your answer like that, and you will be finished. And that is for 1 mark, right? Normally would use a calculator taken from June 2022, question 1a. But if you cannot, then this is how you would have gone about it.